In this video, we will set up Acrobat Pro for commonly used pre-press tasks. This is important to be able to quickly check if your artwork is print ready before sending to print. This video was created the 18th of October, 2025 using version 25. You can check what version you are running by clicking Menu, then Help, then About Adobe Acrobat. To start with, we are going to add quick tools to the toolbar. In the floating toolbar, click the three dots at the bottom, click Customize Toolbar, click Use Print Production, then select Output Preview, then click the left plus button to move over to the toolbar. Repeat this step for Pre-Flight, Convert Colors, Set Page Boxes. If you like, you can add separators, then move objects up and down to desired positions. Click Save. You will now see your toolbar has newly added pre-press tools. Print Promotion's ultimate goal is to provide great service and quality.